Yeah, day is 25th January, about lunchtime, up here at my little building. I'm actually bouncing back and forth between my little building and my old factory building. They have a problem with one of their main production machines I'm trying to assist them with. It's processed. It's a whole bunch of adjustments. Anyway, they're at lunch. That's why I'm down here. I got my little fan mounted. It does oscillate, or you can fix it in position. Got most of my tools put up. I still have to sort through a bunch of stuff. And I still have a bunch of empty drawers. Here's some of my lathe tooling. Some of my turning tools came in. I'm still waiting on a bunch of stuff from Amazon. Precision measuring equipment. More empty drawers. And this is my hammer and pry bar drawer. Whenever my mill shows up, and I got an updated ship date of the 8th of damn February on something they told me was in stock and ready to ship. Global Industrial, and they got my last order. So anyway, this is my hammer drawer. Those big pipe wrenches, rigging straps, shackles, a 1-ton chain fall. So I think these toolboxes are going to work out real nice. And I still got a bunch of stuff to sort through. All my taps and dies and my drill bits and everything else. Of course, this is the second toolbox over here. Same thing, I still got a bunch of empty drawers. And I'm just now trying to organize everything, so it's a process. I ain't under no deadline. There's my Lincoln grease gun, all cleaned up. And I don't have a cartridge of grease, but I'm sure it's going to pump just fine. And probably this week, or the first part of next week, I'll be ordering an Edwards 55-ton iron worker with remote hydraulic setup, and then a 40-ton Edwards hydraulic press that you can put in your forming dies to bend very thick iron and thin too. Dark back here, have lights off, don't particularly need them. I still haven't opened up these Amazon boxes. I'll get around to that, but I got to concentrate on getting the boys up the hill back up and running. It's nothing major. It's something stupid simple. It always is. It's just a process. And I got 6 tape measures plus a 50-foot reel measure. This is a real nice one. A Lufkin, old school. You hardly ever see these things anymore unless you order them special. And again, I've got redundancy of a lot of stuff, which is fine. You know, world's worst about setting something down, forgetting where I put the dang thing. I hung my big 6-foot straight edge up on the wall here. Of course, I'll forget where I put it. So, like I said, just hanging out down here while they're at lunch, trying to keep my hours reasonable and to the minimum so I don't hit them real hard on the billing. It's substantial. And I told them, I said, I'm going to hang out down there. Here's what y'all need to do next, and you don't need me up here doing that. You can do this with a much cheaper employee than me. So I'll be down there, and I'll come check on y'all in about an hour, and I'll get back on the clock then. I say that figuratively. I'm not punching a damn time clock again the rest of my life. But I do keep up with my hours. Like I said, try and be decent with them. I put my welding and stuff away. It's back there in that green military box. I'm not sure if I showed y'all this. I was fooling around. That military box weighs about 300 pounds. It ain't light. And it's a bear to move around. I got these dollies I picked up at Harbor Freight. So I stuck 2 of the dollies underneath each end of it, screwed them in place because of this uneven floor, and actually working out real damn nice. I like that. There's all my, got a wizard wrap. It's basically for making good cuts on pipe, square end cuts. This is the, what does it say? Curve O-mark. When you whittle this out, then you can make your saddles and such. Put my big I-beam clamp in this box. I've got a drawer to slap full of grinding discs now. I got them organized a bit. So, yeah, except for some small incidental stuff, I think I'm doing pretty good on tools now. Once I get these dog doors blanked off with my sheet metal, get these frames removed, then I can go back and put more shelving on these block walls at a lower height. And I should have plenty of storage in this building. Keep my floors clear. So, as you can tell, I'm slightly bored. Hate just waiting around, but like I said, I don't want to just sit up there waiting on them to do stuff with the clock steady running. When I rebuild my fiber metal welding hood, that's this one up here, I can get all that stuff local. I don't have to go to the welding store that sells me all my bottles and such. I can just keep it local. It's just some flanges and a cheater. But it'll give me something to do to go to Kilgore if I want to. I still have to sort through all these tools and precision measuring devices and get those organized, and this cabinet over here. And so yeah, it's coming along. Definitely just a process. You know, once it stopped raining, the building's drying out just like it, supposed to. I just got the most problematic area is right up here where it's leaking next to the wall. So that's I can't find the leak. That's what the problem is. But I will. And my AC man called, check on me. I want to know how the mini split's working in heating mode, and told me it's working perfect. Asked him where my bill was. I said, well, I ain't wrote it up yet, Amos. Let me tell you what happened. He got attacked by a damn goat and messed his knee up real bad. And I said, well, damn. And he'd been down for a week, could barely walk. You gotta watch these critters. They don't mean to hurt you, but they will. I'll figure that out when I have my cows. So, that's about all for this one. Not a lot going on. Everybody's come visit me. The owners from my old company, 2 of them been down. Both plant managers have been down. Departmental managers come over. They all like my building. It's come a very long way. Especially realize what it was when I bought the damn thing. Basically one side of being condemned. And so yeah, I'm not a prideful man, but this building is nice now. So anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.